Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on INFINIX Hot 40 Pro. And to do this, first let's try to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on the bottom right here, and that's your main speaker. Then another one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means this device does have these stereo speakers. Now let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.